Hello student, myself Jana Kuhile. I gonna teach you the subject C programming first. Before starting syllabus, we see the overview of the syllabus. Three different unit that is covered in the syllabus. In first unit, what is introduction of the C programming and basic element of the C programming, that is character set, C tokens, identifier, keywords, variables, constant operators and data types. Next is IO statement used in the C programming, that is printf and scanf. Next is control and iterative statement that is used in program, that is if, while, do while, for, switch case and array statement. Now start the syllabus of the C programming. In first topic, introduction of the C programming, that is an overview of C programming, history of C language, C as a structural language, features of C language. This point is covered in the previous lecture of the C programming. From today we start the topic, that is basic elements of the C programming. In that, first is character set. Character set means the valid character that is used in the C programming, and each character is represented by the number. C language character set contain the following set of characters, that is alphabet, digit and special symbol. C language support total of 256 character. That character is collection of alphabet, digit and special symbols. Next is C tokens. C tokens means every C program is a collection of instruction, and every instruction is the collection of some individual unit. That smallest unit of the C programming is called token. This C token is also called as basic building block of the C program. In a C program, the collection of the keywords, identifier, operator, special symbol, constant, string and data types are called as a token. Next is C identifier. It is a token. The identifier is used to define the name of an entity to identify it uniquely during the program execution. Means identifier is user defined name. You can define any name to the entity, but it is must be unique. Using that identifier we can uniquely identify that entity during the program execution. Example, student PRN number. PRN number is unique for everyone. Using PRN number we can understand the every student of the college. Rules for creating identifier. Identifier can contain letters, that is uppercase and lowercase, also numeric value and underscore symbol only. Different types of symbol are used in C programming, but in identifiers we can use only underscore symbol. It not be start with the numerical value, it may be start with the letter or underscore value. Keywords should not be used as an identifier. There is no limit for the length of the identifier. However, the compiler must firstly consider the 31 characters only. An identifier must be unique in its scope. These are the rule for creating identifier. Next is keyword. Keywords is a predefined meaning word. It is already known to the compiler. C programming language there are 32 keywords. Next is variables. Variables is name given to the memory location where we can store different value of the same data type during the program execution. It must be declared before it is used. Every variable must have a data types that determine the range and type of the values be stored and the size of the memory to be allocated to that variables. Declaration of variable is as data type space variable name. Example, int number is the variables that is used in the C programming. Next is the constant. Constant is a named memory location which hold only one value throughout the program execution. What is difference between variable and constant? Variable hold the variable hold the value that is changed during the program execution, but constant is the hold only one value throughout the whole program execution. Different types of constant, that is integer constant, floating constant, character constant, and string constant. Integer constant can be decimal integer, octal integer, or hexadecimal integer. Example, x equal to 10. That is, next is floating point constant. Floating point constant must be contain both integer and decimal parts. Example, pi equal to 3.14. That is, next is character constant. Character constant is a symbol enclosed in a single quotation. The constant has a maximum length of one character. Example, in single quote a. String constant is a collection of the character, comma, digit, comma, special symbol that are enclosed in the double quotation. Next is creating constant in the C programming. Two different way that is used for creating constant. First is using const keyword, and second is hash, using hash define preprocessor. In first, using constant keyword, define constant is used as constant keyword. Next is data type and space constant name. Example, constant int x equal to 10. Constant is keyword that can be used to creating a constant in the C programming. Next is using hash define preprocessor. It is used as hash define space constant name, comma, a space value. Example, as hash define pi space 3.14. For thank you. Continue next topic, continue in the next session of the lecture.